You only need one scheme for investment in stock market. Yes, my friends, you don't need a big mutual fund portfolio or shares portfolio. Yes, it's not tough to invest in stock market. Lot of time, in fact, majority of the people in India are not being able to invest in stock market because they find stock market to be confusing. When they go to invest, they find so many mutual fund schemes. We have around more than 500 active and passive mutual funds in India. There are more than 1,000 stocks which are considered to be investment grade. And a lot of time investors feel overwhelmed when they have to identify which are the best schemes or which are the best stocks. It can be quite challenging. For a lot of you, you may think that it's not such a tough job, but I think that percentage will be very less. Majority of the Indians are not investing in stock market, and those who are also investing, they find managing the portfolio very challenging because the number of schemes are so many complications. The mutual fund houses, they keep coming out with NFOs, some different themes. Even the stocks, there are IPOs. Now, which to invest, which ones to select, which are good, it can be extremely challenging. Now, in this video, I am going to solve this problem. I'm going to make investment in stock market very easy for you. I'll be telling you only about one scheme which you need for life. You don't need anything beyond that. Now, the scheme which I'm recommending you is an index fund known as Nifty 500 Index Fund. Now, this is an index made by NSE. Now, what does this scheme means? It means that it will be investing in the top 500 listed companies in India, and it will be giving allocation to the companies as per their market cap or size, which means that the larger companies will have a much higher exposure and mid and small will have relatively lower exposure. Now, the good thing about this index is it gives you exposure to the market which is considered to be a place where you should be having exposure. Like top 500 companies, it covers the large cap, mid cap and small cap. And if you look at the allocation, 70% of the portfolio of the Nifty 500 index gets invested in large cap, around 20% mid cap and 10% small cap. It's a very powerful index, and even the top fund managers, PMS or AI find it very difficult to beat this benchmark or index. Earlier it was not available in India. Now we have index funds which replicate this Nifty 500 index. There is an index from SBI, HDFC, there are many. They're pretty low cost, and the good thing is you don't have to churn it. You can hold it for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, even 100 years, and you won't be disappointed. In fact, in US, there's an index, similar index called S&P 500 index. It's very popular, and it's extremely difficult over there to beat this index. Even the top fund managers find it very difficult because the market is very matured and efficient. In fact, few years back, the great Warren Buffett, did a bet with all the hedge fund managers. Hedge funds are, aggressive fund managers who invest in different asset classes, and they fixed up a period, and he said that the hedge funds can't beat the S&P 500 index after considering the expenses what they charge. And when they looked at the data, everyone was surprised to know that majority of the hedge funds underperform the S&P 500 index. So Nifty 500 index, my friend, is a very popular index. I'll show you what has been the past performance as well of this fund. Now, this is the performance of the index. If you look at 25 years, it has given a per annum return of 15%. In 10 years, it has given 13.94. 7 years, it has given 14%. 5 years, it has given 20% per annum. 1 year is negative or flat because 1 year market did not do well. Now, if you look at the past performance, this doesn't mean that it will get replicated or every year you will get 14-15% kind of return. What you need to do is you need to invest in this fund if you have a time horizon of at least 5 years, because in 5-year period, the performance becomes pretty good. The possibility of getting good returns is high. So if you have a long-term horizon, 5-year, 10-year, you're investing for your retirement, for kids, this is the index. You don't need anything beyond that. And it's a simple low cost index. You can buy and forget it. And trust me, friends, you won't be disappointed. So let me tell you, stock market investing is easy. Let's not make it complicated. And through this video and my other videos, I'm trying to simplify your investment journey. Thank you.